Hello, I'd like to give you a few tips to enter your articulations faster into your score. Normally, you would enter an articulation by clicking on the articulation tool and then clicking on a note and then choosing the articulation and then double clicking on that articulation. That's the slow way of doing it. So if you did that each time, it would be very, very slow. See what I mean? All right, so there is a more efficient way. So what we're going to do is we're going to memorize the shortcut key for certain articulations. So I'm going to click on this note again. So notice in the upper right hand corner is a number, and down here it's a letter. That is the shortcut key, the meta tool that you're going to use when you want that articulation. All right, so I'll double click on that. So now, instead of going through that menu again, I'm going to hold 1 on my computer keyboard and then click on a note, and that's going to add a staccato. See how much faster that is? I did all of those individually, but there's an even faster way of entering them. What you can do is you can hold down 1, which is the shortcut key for staccato, and then hold down the left mouse button and then drag over the note you want to add the staccato to. And when you let go, a staccato is added to each one of those notes. Now, if you want to change the articulation of all these notes to a different one, you don't have to delete and then add the other one. All you have to do is you hold down the left mouse button, drag around the entire region to make sure all the articulations are selected. And now you will double tap the shortcut of the articulation that you want to use. Let's say I want to use a tenuto. So my shortcut key for tenuto is 6. So all you have to do is double tap 6, and then all of the articulations are changed to a tenuto. Let's say I want to make them into an accent.
Now we need to go and set the filter to only copy articulations.
2, and they all become accents. This can really save on the blue area, which is the selected area. Here's another shortcut when you're doing articulations. You can put the articulations in on normally this comes up with and everything then copy those articulations down to other staves. What I want you to learn is this little shortcut, push N. So I'll show you what I mean. So that will blank out everything except what we want to use, which is the arrow. And you can also click none corner, but I always use the shortcut N. And we're going to click on the first measure and then click Shift, and then that will select a nice little shortcut that will speed things up. So now that we have nothing selected, we go up here under markings and we click only articulations and then click OK.
Now you click on the blue selected area and you drag to the staff below.
It's going to copy the articulations and only the articulations, not the notes or any smart shapes or anything like that. So that's a much faster way of entering articulations. Enter them in on one stave, and then if they have the same rhythms in other parts, just set your filter and then copy the articulations that way.